All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all. All right, so welcome back to Brainybite tutorial. Okay, welcome back to Brainybite tutorial. I want to first of all, I want to thank each and every member that have supported us with their subscription. People that have subscribed to our YouTube channel, I'm very, very grateful. Okay, very, very grateful. All right, so today, God will bless you all. So, okay, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so today we know that ever since Jamb finished, so many persons has come to ask me what is the way forward or what's the next thing after Jamb. All right, so what are the next thing after Jamb? So I've told them that as you all know, Jamb they're not done with results online. Okay, they're not done with results, so as a result of that, cutoff mark is not out for the year 2024. So it is only when cutoff mark is out that schools can be able to start selling their post-UTME form. All right, so however, if you stay from the beginning of this video to the end, I will be leaving one information that will help you very much at the end of this video. Okay, so just like the way I said before, just cutoff mark is not out for 2024. So it is only when cutoff mark is out that's when schools will start selling their post-UTME form. So if you check out on our topic of today, you find out that we have a Confluence University of Science and Technology. So the way I promise you guys on the platform, I'll be dropping all the schools update, every update that concerns any of your school, be it state school, be it federal, be it state polytechnic, federal polytechnic, and private universities. So you'll be getting all of this information in this channel. So what I want to advise you, I want to encourage you to do is to hit the subscribe button, then like this video if that's exactly what you like this video. Let me know in the comment section if there's anything you want me to do for you, and I won't hesitate to do that for you. All right, so and I want to also let you know that we have a WhatsApp community for our 2024 registered candidates. Okay, however, you can be one of our member. If you want to join us, you can let me know in the comment section that, hey, I want to join your WhatsApp community. All right, I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number, and you message me on WhatsApp, then we'll finish it up from there. All right, so now that's to tell you that the Confluence University of Science and Technology, their post-UTME form is not on sale now. So that's the reason why I say to subscribe, so that and turn on all the bell notifications, so that whenever they start selling the form, I'll update the platform, then you definitely get to know about it. Right, so now let me go to the reason, the benefits of becoming our member. The benefit of becoming our member is that if you're one of our member in our WhatsApp community, you'll be getting WAEC answers for free. If you're a WhatsApp candidate, if you're a WAEC candidate, if you're a NECO candidate, you'll be getting NECO answers for free. Post UTME, you are going to get all the post UTME past questions for free. Right, your school post UTME past questions for free. All right, you have our mentorship. All right, so we'll guide you, we'll make sure that you gain admission this year. It doesn't matter what your score is, you can just message me on WhatsApp with your score, then we'll give you the solution to it. That if you're tired of writing Jamb, you don't want to write Jamb again next year. Okay, and the next one is we have a learning center, WhatsApp learning center, where you can join your fellow aspirants, your fellow candidates. You can do a group reading, a group learning with them. So after learning with them, you can ask questions, interact with them, and so many of them. Right, we also have a whole lots more to explain, but I'm not going to list all of them here. All right, because they are too numerous. Okay, the last one is, which is the most important one, is that we believe that when you gain admission, so as a registered candidate, it is not every time you'll be expecting your parents or your sponsors to be giving you money. all right, so for upkeep. So that's why we have a program. We are launching our program by next year by the special grace of God. So there in our program, you can be able to benefit while you are schooling, while you are still in school, right? You benefit from there. You'll be getting some amount of money from there, all right? So that you can be able to save up from there and do other things for yourself, all right? So we are here to help you, and we'll definitely help you, all right? So that's the things you can benefit as one of our members. So if you want to join us, let me know in the comment section that you want to join us, and I won't hesitate to add you up as one of our members. All right. So for those that want to join us, until I see you in our WhatsApp group, don't forget that I love you and cherish you. For those that have subscribed and you don't feel like joining us for now, so until I see you again in the WhatsApp channel, on the YouTube channel. All right. So I love and cherish you guys. Don't forget, I also love and cherish each and every member of us. Keep winning, and thank you so much, my subscribers. I love you all. All right, keep winning.